Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how Zapier works and why it's one of the easiest automation tools that you can use and how you can build your first automation tool called a Zap. We're going to see that in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to automation or looking to streamline your business workflows, this video will walk you through the key steps step by step. So let's get started. Zapier is a no-code automation platform. It connects your apps like Gmail, Slack, Notion, Notify, eBay, Shopify, Google Sheets, and makes them work all together automatically. So instead of doing repetitive work and doing things manually, you can have Zapier do the work for you in the background, and there's some terms that we need to remember in Zapier, and we're going to get started. We're going to walk through a simple process of how you can create a Zap. As we're seeing here, I am logged in to my Zapier account. A new account, you can just try to figure out to play with the tool and get yourself familiarized with it. So in order to start creating a Zap, we click on this orange plus icon on the left side, and then click on zaps, create then zaps. So as we're seeing here, the default view, it showed a trigger box and an action box. So these two boxes, they need to be configured in order to establish a new zap. And in the next video, we're going to see a real example of how we can configure these two boxes that trigger any action and then go from there. For now, have a great day and thank you for watching.